following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Forest County, Northern Florence County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tipler, or 10 miles south of Iron River, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whisker Lake Wilderness around 5:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Florence. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for Northeast. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Florence and Forest.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.